I'm here at the criminal courts building downtown. Our mental health system is broken. We're going to make sure that judges, as best the DA's office can, aren't in a position to go ahead and divert people who have this violent past, and all indications are they're going to commit another violent crime. The defendant, who had basically been convicted in 2014 and 2017 of domestic abuse of his wife, went ahead in 2025, abused her again. He kicked her, he punched her, he took a glass bottle and struck her over the head. He was looking at 10 years of state prison. But his lawyer invoked the mental health diversion laws and said to the judge that he has a mental health issue, it substantially contributed to his crime, that there was a suitable place to put him that could deal with his mental health issue, and that public safety would be promoted and sustained as well if he got diverted into mental health. Well, he didn't plead guilty for his actions. He never, for a moment, accepted responsibility for his actions. And he went in to this ODR, Office of Diversion Reentry Facility. But it's not a locked facility. It's not a facility where he had to spend his nights and days and he's locked in and he can't leave to deal with any danger he might have to his wife. No. It wasn't even an inpatient facility where he had to spend all the time there, even if he could get out. It was an outpatient facility. And not shockingly, when he got out on August 15th, as we have charged, he went back and he beat up his wife viciously. So much so she is in the hospital. She may never get out of the hospital. So that is our mental health system, where a judge goes ahead and takes a violent person with a violent past, doesn't even require them to accept responsibility for their actions, and on the most scant record possible, diverts him into a mental health outpatient facility, and that same person, as you could bet dollars for donuts it was going to happen, comes back and beats his wife now to the point she may never recover. Our mental health diversion system is appropriate. I want to make that clear. It is appropriate for the right person, someone who's committed a non-violent, non-serious past, that could respond to treatment, that could be in a locked facility or at least in an inpatient facility. But this situation of putting violent people in outpatient facilities and just with a hope and a prayer, that defies all common sense. That is against the law. And we're going to stand up for the victims each and every time.